When? When? Where's one? By the powers vested on me as the owner of this great kingdom,
I hereby crown you Ijele of Amako Kingdom. I am also giving you this star to rule Amako in peace, in progress and prosperity. Amako kwenu! Kwenu! Mwanu! Rianu! Kwezonwa! Igwe, ngwa! Oya, kawazeni. Igwe, ogade from Igwe. Igwe.
Now you will experience prosperity.
Your Majesty, I had so much fun yesterday. And I even drank enough palm wine.
So many women too.
Women? No, Your Majesty. I am yet to see that maiden that will capture my heart.
Dikeh, what kind of maiden are you looking for that we do not have in this great kingdom? We have beautiful maiden from our kingdom.
Your Majesty, I know very well that we have beautiful maidens, but none of them is as beautiful as I desire.
We have beautiful maiden in our kingdom, Dikeh. Huh? Are you telling me you're not planning to get married soon?
Your Majesty, if I may ask, how did they even crown you a king without a wife?
Dikeh, that's because the seat of the queen is not vacant.
So are you now telling me that the queen mother is your wife?
Abomination.
Your Majesty.
Oh, great.
Thank you for the day.
Thank you so much.
I beg to take my leave now.
Oh, really? Guard, get a keg of palm wine and escort my friend Dikeh to our boundary.
Thank you, my king.
You are welcome. Yes. Safe journey, my friend Dikeh.
Thank you, my king.
Ebuka, listen, let me tell you. You may be my elder brother, but I will never allow you to take away this piece of land away from me. It's a lie. That will not happen. Ebuka, why are you bent on collecting everything our father left for us?
Hey.
Ebuka, I will never, even in my dying bed.
Hey. What is going on here?
Greetings, great royalty of our great kingdom.
And what is going on here?
It is my elder brother here. He is fighting over this land our father gave to me. All because he realized the land is more productive. Tell me, who does that to his junior brother? It's a lie! This land belongs to me as my father's first son. Allow me to cultivate on this land for some years now because I still have yams in my barn. Ebuka, you're lying! He's lying! Now that I want to lay claim on it, I won't allow that to happen!
Quiet! Can both of you listen to yourselves? Real men fight at the boundaries to protect the entire kingdom from invaders. And you two are here talking about a piece of land. You better go back to the palace and resolve this issue.
Ebuka, I will not allow you! We shall not allow you! We shall see.
gods of my land. You can go now. Greet my friend. I can't believe what my eyes is seeing. But I won't blame the gods. Beautiful maiden, can you stand up at least? Let me be sure of what I am seeing. I am not talking to myself, I am talking to you. Is it that you don't know me or what? Okay. Should in case you don't know me, my name is Dikeh Omenangete, the greatest warrior of all time. Sorry, I am not the greatest. I am second to the greatest. But the greatest is my very good friend. I am actually coming back from his place, and he gave me this palm wine. Is it that something is bothering you or what?
Please, if you can let me be, I'll be fine.
Good. I will only let you be if you can tell me your name and the kingdom where you come from.
You can continue to stay here and talk to yourself.
Omalicha, Dikeh Omenangete, second to the greatest of all time, is the one talking to you.
Ijele of Amako Kingdom, my only brother, the only warrior who fought and killed over 3,000 men in war fronts. May you live long, my king.
My lovely sister, thanks for all the sweet names. Tell me, what do you want me to do for you this morning as the king?
Why is it that anytime I try to praise my lovely brother, he starts to think that I want a favor from him?
If you tell me the last time you showered praises on me without expecting anything, then I will.
You caught me, my king. Anyways, I want to ask you for something very important.
What is it?
My king, it is about your friend Dikeh. Does he have a wife in his village?
He doesn't have a wife. What is the problem?
Then, please, I want you to talk to him about me. Tell him you have a lovely sister who is a princess. I would want him to marry me.
What nonsense are you talking about, Princess Oleido? We deserve some respect in this family.
My king, please. I love him so much. I admire him a lot. I just want you to talk to him on my behalf.
It's not possible. It's not possible!
Why is it not possible? You are now the king. Whatever you say goes. My king, please.
I said we deserve some respect in this family.
Why is it not possible?
I said it is not possible.
What is not possible?
Mother.
What is not possible?
It's a conversation between us. Brother, am I right?
Yes, mother. It's a conversation between a brother and a sister.
I beg to take my leave now.
In the land.
Omalicha, I am sorry. Maybe I approach you in a wrong manner. I will start again. The most beautiful one. You are the prettiest maiden I have ever set my eyes on. Please, can you do me the honor to admire and appreciate your beauty? Okay. Can you at least tell me your name and the name of your kingdom?
Not today.
Excuse me. If my brother won't talk to him about it, I will talk to him myself.
Yes, my princess. I think we should think of a better way for you to tell him.
Right?
Yes.
My princess, I think you should walk up to him and tell him about it the next time he visits the palace.
Exactly. Why not send words across to him and let him know that Princess Oludo wants to see him? And then that will be the biggest mistake to make, my princess.
Please shut up, Adugo. What do you know?
Shut up and allow her to talk. Adugo, what makes you think that it will be a big mistake?
It will make you look desperate, my princess. And men don't like women that are desperate for their love. It gives him the ego to distance themselves from the women.
Adugo, what are you saying? Men also like women that are submissive.
Yes, you're right. Men like submissive women. But the submission should come when the woman and the man are together.
Interesting. It seems you know more, Adugo. So tell me, what should I do to capture his heart?
The first thing to do, my princess, is to win the Igwe's heart. Give Igwe reasons to constantly talk good things about you in his ears. And then he will start developing love for you.
Wow. Interesting. Adugo. So tell me, how do I do it?
Oh, my princess, you know, warriors don't play with their stomach. Find a way to get to the Igwe's stomach, and then he might invite his friend to join him.
Good. You have a good point, Adugo. I think it's about time I promote you.
Thank you, my princess.
You're welcome.
I think I should organize a dancing competition. I mean, for all the maidens of our 5 kingdoms. For you to select from amongst them the one your heart desires.
That sounds interesting. Will the maiden I desire also desire me?
What are you talking? Which maiden of our kingdom will not desire you? I am very sure that the maidens of our land desire you. It left for you to point the one your heart goes to.
Well, I do not think that is the best way for me to go about finding my own wife. I want a maiden approved by the gods through a dream or through a great seer, that which cannot tell lies.
How can the gods approve a maiden for you when you have not searched for one?
The gods have never failed me. So why should I worry? I will definitely see a maiden that desires me. You, get me my keg of palm wine. Go.
Obiangeri? 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 Please come. Come. I want to tell you something.
Okay. Brother, you came back too early. I wasn't expecting you.
Come outside now, you useless fool.
Brother, what are you talking about?
You will understand what I am talking about by the time I go inside that hut and strangle that useless weakling. Come outside now!
But I don't know what you're talking about, though.
You dare not call me a weakling.
Nabem. Eh? What you?
Dikeh, leave him alone! Please leave him! You want to kill him! Dikeh, you want to kill him! Dikeh.
You see what I'm saying? That this useless weakling is not man enough to be your lover. Listen to me. The next time I am going to see you anywhere close to my sister.
Obi. Dikeh, one day, why are you doing this? Eh? But I don't like this thing. Obi.
Who is calling for help?
Your Highness, I don't understand.
Can't you hear the voice calling for help?
What voice, Your Highness?
Did you hear the voice calling for help?
Your Highness, what voice are you talking about?
You must be deaf. You mean you can't hear the voice calling for help?
Your Highness, I can't hear any voice.
Okay, don't go with me. I will go alone.
But Your Highness, you can't leave the palace alone.
Obiangeri, are you still angry? I have apologized to you. The truth is that useless weakling must prove to me that he is a man.
Udokolo is not a weakling. He just doesn't match your strength.
Obiangeri, there is only one man in this entire kingdom that matches my strength. But at least Udokolo should prove to me that he is strong.
Everybody is not a wrestler like you. He's a productive farmer, and his success story lies in farming, Dikeh.
A productive farmer, like you said. Let me now ask you. For instance, invaders attack him in the farm. Can he protect himself? Can he?
No one is invading this kingdom. The closest place to this kingdom is Okotoburu. No one passes through that land and survive. Just let my loved one be, please, Dikeh one name.
Your so-called loved one is not permitted to come to this hut. He is not your husband yet. Don't bring him here.
But you've refused to collect his bride price, which is why I miss Mama and Papa. Had it been they were alive, they would have accepted him.
This is where you are wrong. Had it mean our father is still alive today, I know our father very well, and he will make sure that useless weakling prove himself to be a man before he will accept him to marry you.
Dikeh one name, Udokolo is not a weakling. And please, let him be. Please, leave my loved one to be.
Never.
Leave Udokolo alone, please.
He must be a man before I will allow him to marry you.
Iju amo ye kamga koro akuku amo ye kamga koro Olisabiko watara ye maka.
Median, I heard your voice from afar. What is it?
Help me. Please.
Help you? What kind of help do you need?
Help me. Please.
You don't even know who is here to help you. My name is Ijele. I heard your voice from afar, and I traced your voice down here. Anyway, turn around, and I will help you. What is it? Who chained you up like a slave? Anyway, don't mind. I will untie you. What? She disappeared.
Igwe. Igwe. Igwe.
Ah. Ini, was I sleeping?
Yes. And if I had not come out to urinate, you might sleep here till tomorrow morning.
I didn't plan sleeping here. Somehow I slept off.
And the guards didn't even care to wake you up.
I instructed them not to wake me whenever I'm sleeping. They are under instruction. Was I really sleeping?
What sort of question is that? Are you drunk?
Ini, it was real.
What was real?
It was real, Ini. It was real. I'd rather not talk about it.
Dikeh, one name. Are you still angry? I'm sorry.
Obiangeli, I am not angry because of what you did.
Then why are you angry?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
You're not fine. Please talk to me. See, Dikeh, I won't go to bed happy and certainly will not wake up happy if you don't tell me what the problem is.
Obiangeli, I don't know how this will sound to you, but if you insist, then I will tell you.
Okay.
Obiangeli,
Dikeh,
I am in love.
what did you say?
I said I am in love.
With who?
With a maiden I don't know where she's from.
So you were humbled by a maiden you saw, and she could not even tell you her name or where she's from. And you came back here to beat my own lover, Dokolo.
Obiangeli, the truth of this matter is that I don't even know this maiden's name or where she's from. First, I was caught by her beauty. Secondly, I was humbled by her confidence.
Can you hear yourself? I was humbled by her beauty. I was caught by her beauty, and you came back here to beat my own lover. Dikeh, you're not serious. Excuse me.
No. That maiden, I must find her. I will prove to her that I am a man. I must find that maiden.
I am the priestess of this community. I am very powerful. I see the spirits and the living. No! No! Yoyo metalo. Ojilisia. Buru.
now. Let me just wash up. See what this Harmattan costs to my skin.
My princess.
Yeah. I hope everything are ready for the cooking.
Yes, my princess.
Good. I will do the cooking myself.
Okay, my princess.
Let's go.
This is not the kind of dream I should have. I am confused.
A maiden in chains is a mysterious dream. Slave trade has long been abolished.
But I ask myself the same question. Why should I dream about a maiden in chains when slave trade has been abolished for years?
And why did she disappear if she wanted you to help?
I wonder.
Honestly, I don't want to believe the story you just told me.
Mother, this is not a story. It happened. It is real. In my dreams, I saw it. It is real. It was like in the present.
Well, the dream you had might be true. But I don't want to believe it.
Mother, you have to believe me. It was real. I saw it. In my dream, I saw it. It was real, Mother.
What are you making still here? Is this not your water pot?
No.
Let's go.
I almost got lost.
Look at how a great warrior is making a coward of himself, all in the name of love.
So how do you know it is love that kept him here?
If not for love, what else will make a man come to the stream and be looking at every woman's face just like that?
Well, anything, many things can make him be here. You do not judge people because of how you feel. I mean, you judge people because of what you know to be true.
Were you not here when he was busy looking at every woman's face? Huh? Were you not here?
It means maybe he might be looking for a media that stole something from him. Or maybe medias who said something bad about him, just like we here, right?
I do not understand what you are talking about. Please. You maidens should forget about all of this argument. It's not our business, whether falling in love or standing in love. Let's go, please. I don't know. Let's go.
What, please?
No. I am not living here today. I don't care how long it will take me to see her. I must see her today.
Please talk to me. Stop avoiding me, Obim.
What do you mean by I should stop avoiding you? You were there when your brother almost strangled me to death. And you did nothing.
But you were also there when I challenged him to leave. Please, my love.
Oh, you called that you did, challenging him. Oh, had it been he killed me, they would have said he died out of Ijele love. I see no Ijele of no queer.
Obim, please. Don't leave me, please. Obim, please. Bikono. Eh? Obim.
I can't do this.
Obim, please. Don't leave.
This family is really insane. The brother is at the stream, looking for maidens. And here is the sister, on the pathway begging a man for love. Inokwa.
You see what you've caused? I get insult everywhere I go, all because of you.
Obim, don't leave
Don't
me.
become me.
Obim, please.
I can't do this any longer.
Obim, please.
I can't take this.
Obim, don't leave. Obim, please. Obim.
May you live long, my king. May you live long, my queen.
Thank you, my beautiful daughter.
Mother, I prepared a very delicious soup. I would want both of you to have a taste.
Delicious soup?
Yes.
When did you start cooking?
I have always been a very good cook. It's just that having maids around me wouldn't allow me to do that.
She's telling the truth. When you were young and busy hunting in our forest with your late father, I was teaching her how to cook.
Interesting. Well, I know something is behind the idea of you trying to cook for me.
Is it now a crime to cook for my lovely brother who is now a king? Is it?
Well, it's not a crime, mother.
All these questions are not necessary now until you are done eating. Go and bring him the food.
Thank you, mother.
Help! Help!
You again. You again. You disappeared the last time I tried to help you. Anyway, I am a generous king. All I want is peace and harmony in my land. I will help you. You disappeared again.
Here is the food, my king.
Let me see.
Okay.
What? Ijele, what is it? What happened?
Mother,
No.
I just saw her face. I just saw her face serving me now.
Whose face are you talking about?
The slave girl. I saw her now. She was the one serving me.
Do you know what it took me to prepare that food he threw away?
It wasn't intentional, my princess.
What do you mean by it wasn't intentional? You were there, you saw how everything happened. You are telling me it wasn't intentional. Then whose fault is it? My own fault?
My princess, I think the Igwe is traumatized.
Traumatized? Don't you utter those words again. Do you know who my brother is? Eh? A warrior who fought over 3,000 men. You are telling me that he's traumatized. What will make him to be traumatized anyway?
It is true, my princess. I overheard him telling the queen of the strange vision he has been having with a maiden in chain. That's the slave maiden he saw.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Please. I am looking for a maiden. And this very maiden is beautiful. And she
You
is...
have asked us the same question in the morning. Why are you asking me again?
Were you here in the morning?
Yes, I was.
You're supposed to know the maiden I am talking about.
I don't know any maiden you're talking about.
Oh. It's obvious I won't find her.
It would have been better if you had told me her name.
I think it's time you involve the gods in this matter. It's time you invite the seer, the priestess of this kingdom. She's the only one that has answer to your questions.
I think I have to go and see her myself. Follow me.
I heard you went to the river to look for a maiden. Is it true?
It is true. Is there any problem?
How can you do such a thing? A warrior like you, going to a river to look for a maiden.
I went to the river to search for the maiden that captured my heart. Is there any problem with my decision?
Have you seen being a warrior doesn't make you a brave man? Brave men don't go after women, but women come after them.
Obiangeri, this very maiden we are talking about here is not just ordinary maiden. She is totally different from every other maiden.
I am not talking about the maiden. I am talking about the man. Do you hear what those maiden were saying about you in the river? They even call you a coward and even spoke terrible things about Udokolo.
I don't care about what they say about me or your useless weakling man. The fact still remains I can crush and devour him with my bare hands.
The question you ask, it is not in my position to tell you what is happening to you.
Princess of this great kingdom, you are the great seer, and you hold the highest spiritual authority in this kingdom. How come the gods cannot tell me that which I seek?
The answers you seek are too heavy for you. Just ignore the visions whenever it comes to you, and the slave maiden will stop coming after you.
What is the secret? There is nothing Ijele cannot handle.
You do know I am the priestess, but what you don't know is that I speak from the gods.
How come the gods cannot tell me that which I want to know?
You do know already. Ignore that maiden slave. Stop seeking to help her. She will stop coming after you. Go!
What am I hearing? It sounds like the voice of a maiden. Listen. No. Where is this noise coming from?
Akụkọ m onye ka m ga-akọrọ ihe onye metere o jiri isi ya wee bụrụ. Olisa o biko gbatara m ọsọ enyemaka. Iju ụwa m onye ka m ga-akọrọ.
Listen, Medians. I'm not here to play games with you. Okay? Anytime I try to help you, you make it difficult for me to help you. And I'm tired. And this will be the last time I will help you.
You can't help me with that sword. I am scared of it.
The sword?
Yes.
Tell me, how else do I help you?
I'm trapped in the land of Okotobulu. If you want to save me, come to the land and save me.
Okotobulu? What is your name?
Help me. Please, help me.
She disappeared again.
Beautiful maiden. We meet again today.
Greetings, the greatest warrior. Or?
Not the greatest. Second to the greatest.
I see.
I have been searching for you everywhere. Had it been you told me your name, I would have found you.
My name is Mirima. That's all I can say for now.
Why telling me only your name? Don't you want me to find you anytime I want?
You can't find me anytime you wish to see me, even if I tell you where I'm from.
My name is Dikeh, and there is no place in this kingdom that I am not known. And there is no place in this kingdom that I cannot enter anytime I want and however I wish.
I'm from Okotoburu. Can you find me there?
Okotoburu. Okotoburu is the land of the spirit, and no man goes there and comes back alive.
You see? I just mentioned the name and you became afraid.
I am not afraid and can never be afraid. I'm just curious to know how is it possible for someone to be alive in the land of the spirit.
My family is trapped by the gods in the land of the spirit. I'm only permitted to come and fend for them in the land of the living because we cannot eat anything from the land of the spirit.
Did you want your family to be saved?
Everybody loves freedom. I would love my family to be saved so that we can return to the land of the living.
If I do that, will you marry me?
No one can. No man can do that.
If I do that, will you marry me?
Yes, I'll marry you.
Then swear by the gods that you will marry me if I do that.
I swear by the gods. I will marry you if you save my family from the land of the spirits.
Let me go home and prepare. I am coming to the land of the spirit for your sake.
Very well then.
Mirimba.
Elders, what I'm asking is for you to give me a warrior, each from the clan, so that we can journey into the land of Okotobulu.
Ijele, you are yet to tell us your main reason of venturing into the spirit world with our great warriors.
Oh no, there's this maiden I need to go and rescue. She's been held captive in the land of the spirits, and I have to go and save her.
This maiden that you want to go and save, does she have a family in this kingdom?
Well, until she's been rescued, I don't know about that.
Igwe, Kanjuge. So, you want each and every one of us here to give you our warriors so you could go rescue a maiden you know nothing about?
I've just told you it has been revealed to me by the gods. She could be the next queen of this great kingdom. And I need to go and rescue her.
Igwe. Genti. There are many maidens in this kingdom. In our various villages. You could pick one of them. Igwe Ijele. Pick one of them. Oh no, I say. Pick one of them and make her your next queen, Igwe.
I am talking about the one the gods have approved. I have to go and save her.
Igwe Ijele, there are procedures in which we follow to send our gallant warriors into battle. Let me be honest with you, Igwe. It will not pay us any good to send our warriors to just go and die in the battlefield for sacred reasons, for that matter.
You call that sacred reasons?
Yes, Igwe, we are sorry. We cannot give you any of our warriors.
Oh no, what are the procedures? Tell me. Lay your cards on the table. What are the procedures, Onowu?
Chima! Come. What is it? Come. Come. What happened? You need to go in there, pack your things and leave to our maternal home. This land is haunted. I do not want anything to happen to you. Why? Every firstborn is haunted. I do not want anything to happen to you. So go in there, pack your things and go to our maternal home. Tell grandma I will come and see her later. Go in. One name. I'm not the firstborn. I know you're not the firstborn, neither am I. Look, I do not want anything to happen to you. Just go in there, pack your things and go to maternal home. Tell grandma I will see her later. Go in, go. Okay. Don't ask questions. Just go in.
Obiangeri?
Brother.
Come. There is a bushmeat today. Prepare it and make yourself comfortable. I am crossing over to Aguyi River to see my friend. It is very urgent. If you like, invite that useless weakling. If I come back and meet him here, I promise you that I am going to tear him into pieces.
Why do you want me to die before my time, son?
Mother, you are not going to die before your time. I have to do this. I have to obey the will of the gods.
This is not the will of the gods. This is the desire of your heart.
How is it the desire of my heart when I keep seeing her in my dreams?
But the chief priestess told you to stop thinking about her so that she will stop appearing in your dreams.
Mother, I've never thought about her. I just started seeing her in my dreams. Ah! Dikeh! Dikeh, my friend.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings, Dikeh. You're welcome.
Thank you, my queen.
Ah, Dikeh.
Ijele.
I was about sending for you. How did you know that I need you in my chamber?
I was actually at your palace.
Okay.
Before your guards told me that you are having a serious conversation with your mother.
Yes.
In your private chamber.
Yes.
My king.
How are you?
I'm fine, my king.
How was the journey?
Very fine. There is something important I want to discuss with you.
Sit down, let us discuss.
Thank you.
How was the journey?
I'm only here because I heard that you were sick.
Please sit.
What exactly am I doing here?
I know you weren't going to come if I didn't say I was sick.
Please. Do not, never call me to this place again.
You can't continue being scared of my brother. That is why he doesn't want us to be together.
Oh, is that what you think? That I am afraid of your brother? I am not. Have you seen your brother? He's too huge, too big for me.
I didn't say you're scared of my brother, Obim. I only want you to act like a brave man. Don't stop coming here because of him.
I am brave. I am not in any competition with him.
Then make him feel that you're a brave man. Don't be scared of him.
I don't want to die yet.
Obim, then you have to get me pregnant so we can be together.
Oh, she's not pregnant. Do you want us to die? Wait, do you want your brother to kill me?
Obim, no. Just get me pregnant so we can be together.
See, I love you, but I love myself as well. I do not want to lose my life trying to get you.
Obim, I know. But you just have to get me pregnant so we can be together.
No, for now, I have to take care of your brother. Just stay safe, all right?
Obim.
We'll have to talk later.
Obim, please.
I will see.
Obim, please don't leave. Obim.
That is it, Your Majesty. And that is why I am here to see you.
Ha, Dikeh.
Your Majesty.
The gods are working in a mysterious way. This journey is already ordained by the gods.
Your Majesty, am I missing anything?
A lot happened. Oh, greetings. Dikeh, a lot has happened since the last time you came. Do not worry, I'm going to tell you everything.
Please, I am listening.
My princess, Dikeh, the great warrior, is in the palace.
Dikeh is here?
He is in Igwe's chamber as we speak.
Right? Yes. Dikeh is here. Let me go and see him.
No, my princess. Do not rush him. Allow him calm down and discuss with Ijele. And after that, you can present yourself to him.
You are right. Let me sit and wait.
Yes, my princess.
Your Majesty, that was exactly the same story she told me. That means there must be sisters.
Yes, they are sisters. And that is the reason why we have to embark on this journey.
Yes, Your Majesty, and I can promise you that you are not going to that land of spirit alone. Because I have already made promises that I will go to that land of spirit and save her family. Your Majesty, what is the problem with the Queen?
My mother doesn't want us to embark on that journey. She's afraid we might not come back alive.
Your Majesty, even the gods knows there will be a serious trouble the moment we step our foot into that land of spirit.
I told her even demons are scared of us. We have to embark on that journey.
Yes. Well, Your Majesty, that is the love of a mother for her children. But we, the men, will always go against their will because we want to prove our love for the one we want them to be the mother of our children. Your Majesty, I will be on my way now. Let me go and prepare.
Okay, Dikeh. I will hear from you very soon. Dikeh!
Dikeh.
Beautiful
You
princess.
came to see us.
Yes, but I am leaving.
Stay behind and have dinner with us. I promise to make a delicious meal for you.
Beautiful princess. It will be my pleasure and desire to stay back. But there is something important and urgent Ijele and I needed to attend to.
It's okay. Maybe some other time.
Thank you for your understanding. Your Majesty.
Dikeh.
Go well. Thank you, my king.
My king.
How are you?
What would you like to have for dinner?
Anything you prepare.
What about mother? I thought she was here a few minutes ago.
All I do. I have a lot to think about right now. Please just leave me alone for now.
As you wish, my king.
The journey they went to embark on is a very disastrous one. They can avoid the agonies of the adventure by simply forgetting the visions of the girls they see.
I cannot stop my son from that adventure. You know he's like his father. I only came to seek if he will come back alive.
Has anyone been to the land of the spirit and returned alive?
My son can be an exemption. Can the gods not spare his life?
The gods are silent. They don't want to interfere in woman's will. But their mercies and love can be triggered, which is the only way your son may return alive.
What sacrifice do I have to make to trigger the love and mercies of the gods on behalf of my son?
It is not by sacrifices, my queen. The love and mercies of the gods can be triggered even at the point of no return in the land of the spirit.
Stop playing with me. Just tell me the truth. Will my son come back alive?
I don't have answers to that question, but I can only pray as they embark on this journey.
Son, please, I beg you in the name of your late father, who gave you this throne, do not leave this kingdom for any reason, for your enemies are within.
My mother, have you forgotten the battles I have fought? Suddenly you've just forgotten everything about me. I will be back.
It is not about you coming back. It is about coming back to meet your kingdom in shackles.
Are you telling me yourself and my sister cannot take care of this kingdom, protect this kingdom in my absence?
Of course we can. But on one condition.
Which is?
You have to revoke the ban.
The ban.
One him. One him. One him. One him. Ha! What troubles your heart?
Chima, how long have you been standing here?
I just came back from fetching firewood. What happened? Talk to me.
Chima, my heart is troubled. King Ijele is on a mission to a strange land.
On a mission?
In search of a maiden.
Why would he go in search for a maiden?
According to him, he said she is his love interest.
Love interest? Wow.
The most fascinating part of it is that he's going to a strange land, a very distant land. Okotobulu.
Hey! Okotobulu! The land of the spirit! Hey!
Shh, shh.
Hey, whoa.
The walls have ears.
Hey! Hey, hey.
And that is why my heart is troubled.
Hey.
Strange things. Strange things are happening.
If you have come to fight me, I do not have your strength. Please.
Udokolo, I am ready to give you a chance for you to prove to me that you are not a coward. If you can do that, I will allow you to marry my sister in peace.
How am I to prove it to you? As long as he's not fighting you.
You can't fight me. If you try that, I am going to strangle you instantly. But I want you to fight alongside with me.
Against who?
Udokolo. I am going to Okotobulu in the next Eke Market Day. I am going there to rescue a maiden whose family has been trapped by an evil spirit in that land. If you can come with me to that land and come back alive, I will allow you to marry my sister in peace.
Okotoburu, the land of the spirit. I have never for once heard that anyone enters that land of the spirit and returns alive. That is where you want me to go with you, just to prove my love for your sister. Abapumia, 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 Akama Adroya. Biko, Dikeh, Akama Adroya.
You are a weakling. You are a coward and you can never marry my sister.
I agree. At this point, I agree.
I will be going to Okotobulu in the next Eke Market Day.
What? To do what?
I am going there to rescue a maiden whose family has been trapped by an evil spirit in that land.
Where does fighting an evil spirit becomes a job?
Since I found the one I love, that beautiful maiden must be saved.
So you want to die for a maiden you know nothing about?
I don't care. Obiangeri, one thing must kill a man. And as long as that man did not die as a coward.
When a man dies for a maiden who haven't proved her love for him, he dies a coward.
And that is why that useless, good-for-nothing weakling man of yours must prove to you that he is not a coward.
And I don't involve my heart in quest of love.
Anyways, I will not force him to join me. But if he believes he is man enough, he should join me in this journey.
No. The ban has been lifted.
Agonia. Igwe.
Ne.
Igwe.
Ne.
You will live long.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. You will go well. You will come back in peace.
What are you doing here? I, Udokolo, have come to join in the journey to the land of the spirit.
No, you can't do this. You can't.
I have to. I need to prove myself.
Of course you have to prove that you're a man. But there are so many ways you can do it. You're not a fighter.
This is not about being a fighter. I'm here to show that I'm not afraid of death. I want to have you. If only you want me to.
Brave man.
Yes, Dikeh.
I hope you are ready for war.
Dikeh, one name, please don't do this. Don't take him with you. He's a farmer, not a fighter, please. Please.
Udokolo, I was never going to go to the land of the spirit with you. Because I know you won't survive a night in that land. I just wanted you to prove to me that you are a man. And you just did. Stay back and take good care of my sister.
Somewhere, somehow, your brother is a good person.
Yes. I'm very happy.
Brave men of our land, we are about to embark on a journey. Brave men that will follow me. Your bravery will never go in vain.
Sir.
Your names will be heard throughout the kingdom, and you all will become immortals. Are you ready to go with me?
We are ready, Your Majesty.
Are you ready to go with Ijele?
We are ready.
As you can see, the ban on the third defense line of this great kingdom has been lifted. I want you to send messages to all the members of the third defense line. Tell them to be prepared and stand by.
Yes, my queen.
This is the most stupid decision a king has ever made in the history of this kingdom. Yes.
My fellow elder, exactly. Eh? What a useless decision that a king will make. Eh? In fact, I am so disappointed at him for making such useless and stupid decision.
My elders, what made our great king decision a stupid one? Can you tell me more? Let me understand. I don't understand.
It is a very stupid decision
Thank you.
indeed. How can a king without a successor abandon his throne and embark on a journey to the land of the spirit just because of his selfish desire? Nonsense.
You call that selfish desire? Okay, let me throw more light on this your head. We all know that our king has been restless for days now. There's no peace for days now. There's no joy for days now. And he decided to make a journey in the land of the spirit so that he can gather himself back. And you are here calling his decision a selfish desire?
What else?
You should watch your mouth one after the others.
Hold on. Let me ask you just one question. If his decision is not a stupid one, why didn't you give him your warriors? Why?
Why?
Answer.
Okay. Because I refuse assigning my warriors to him. Does not mean that I'm not in support of his movement.
Look at him.
No. I want my warriors to protect my client.
Well. You see, my aim of calling this meeting is this. That each and every one of us here, I want you to have this in your mind that I'm interested in that very throne. Makanasi no sinisipo oganubu. Since king has decided to leave the throne, I am the next in command, so I'm taking over.
You don't have problem about that.
Oh no.
Yes.
It's not possible. Oh no. Are you Onowu or Onorowu of this kingdom? Onowu, you know that you are the second in command of this great kingdom.
Oh yes,
I think you know.
Nobody.
And I believe you know our tradition too well. Have you forgotten that our tradition said that a throne can be without the king for 2 full moons? Unless that, you don't have any right. You don't have any authority over the throne. Don't forget. But for me, I will never be in support of all this your wicked and jealous decision. Look, my eyeball to eyeball. I am not in support. Onochie is not in support of this meeting.
Good. Thank you very much. Let me educate you more. Whether full moon, half moon, 2 half moon, 2 full moon,
quarter moon.
My decision is final.
That time it will not work. Look into my eye. It will not do what? Work.
And I'm looking into your eye and I'm telling you, it has already worked.
Yeah, it will work.
What is your Amabunu? Amabunu na Ofuji Aneke Anoba.
Obioma. Come. Hey, my sister. Hey. Run as your legs can carry you. Run to our maternal home. Go and tell our elder brother that the ban has been lifted.
Sister, what ban?
You're asking me?
Of course.
My dear, the 3rd defense line have been revoked by Ijele.
Chimo.
Oh yeah, run now, run. Run, no. Run very fast. Hey. Chimo. Wonders they say shall never end.
Obioma, where are you running to?
My sister sent me to our maternal home.
Is that why you're running?
Have you heard?
Heard what?
My sister said that the 3rd defense line has been lifted.
third defense line.
Yes. Abeg, I'm in a hurry.
Obioma, stop running like a mad woman, no. Third defense line. Hey.
I'm in support of the Onowu taking over the throne. It is high time that family step down from the throne.
I am in support of it too. Because we need someone. Are you getting me? In fact, we need to make this our throne. This kingdom, we need to make it a rotational one. Oh, you ought to go. The throne of this kingdom.
Wait. This decision now, are we the one to make it? No. The decision now is only the seer that can make the decision, not me and you. I think you hated Igwe Menakete when he was alive. How come you are now in support of his son returning the throne? Yes. But we made him our king. Is it not true? I hated him because of some silly mistakes that he did. Yes. But I rather support his son to become the king than supporting Onowu. That man is very dangerous. He can bite more than a snake. I cannot support him.
Do you have any previous issue with your Onowu? Or is this something we can sort out right now? Eba, kita. Let's sort it out. Because we don't need a child that will be going on a stupid adventure. We need a king in this kingdom. A king that will move it forward. Oh yeah, move it forward.
Bian. Kambazu n'olu. Because Obo so onye nwụrụ anwụ ka na-agbazu olu. Unu dị ndụ. Onowu is very desperate. I don't have anything against him, but I will never support Onowu, because how can he call for a meeting today that our king just left for an adventure to sort out the problems that is going on in this community? That was the day Onowu will come and call a meeting for both of us to support him. Asem Arueme. See, I will never support Onowu until I am sure that King Ijele will never return back or can never return again. If not, you people are gang up against a throne. Ndala.
Who is he to challenge me? Who is he? What does he think he is to challenge me? Hold me. Oh, well, maybe he's having an eye on the throne as well.
Oh no. That man is already a threat to us in this kingdom.
And we have to execute him. We have to execute him before it is too late.
Well, there will be no execution for now until we are ready to attack.
Why? I mean, let us kill him. Kill him and make it look like an accident. Or just find a miss and erase him from this kingdom.
No. No one will be found missing or dead till our plan is fully perfected.
I know that man very well. He will rebel our plans and we cannot allow that.
Kaplan, it's simple. From now onwards, any of our future plans, we will escort him Wapianizu. By the time we get hold of the throne, we'll start from him. And his kinsmen, that the whole of his clan will just wipe them away from the surface of this our kingdom, like this. Just like that.
I love that. I love that. It's a very perfect plan. And I would like to wash my sword with his blood.
Good.
Wonderful.
I like you for that. That's why I made you my inner member.
In realms of valor, where heroes ride, a band of warriors with honor in our eyes. Our hearts are ablaze with courage as our guide. We march into fray with victory to abide.
Through battles, fears, and trials by fire, we have no tolerance for evil. We will fight, eliminate, and set apart the rotten eggs to uphold the dignity and honor. Our kingdom is upright. Our king is our voice. We uphold our dignity.
Are we under attack?
Calm down. It is not an attack. It is a message.
What kind of message is this? In an arrow form?
The third defense line of the kingdom has been activated, and their services will be needed very soon.
Not third defense line. Which one is third defense line again?
Sit, let me explain to you.
Third defense line again.
The kingdom.
Ugodia. Ugodia.
My husband. My husband. You're back. What is it? This one you're standing like this?
Ugodia. All is not well in this kingdom. Ugodia. Ijele and Dikeh, his friend, have called their closest friend to join them in the land of the spirit.
Land of the spirit?
Yes.
What for?
The reason, your husband, I don't know. But what I sense in this kingdom, very soon, there will be an internal war in this kingdom.
My husband, what do you mean by internal war?
Olowu of this great kingdom want to take over the kingdom. He want to take over the throne of this kingdom if eventually Ijele returns back alive.
My husband, you and I know that Olowu is not the next in line. Why does he want the throne? My husband, even if the throne is to leave the Ekwedike's family, Olowu is not the next in line. Our family is.
Ugo dear, you know that Olowu has the support of all the elders and even the warriors that run this region. They have given him their support. I want you to take these children, leave from this kingdom now.
My husband, are you trying to tell me to run away from my own village? I should run with my children from this village? Never. That will never happen, my husband.
Ugo dear, I never said you should run away from this kingdom. But I want to protect the royal lineage. Please take them where they will be safe until you hear from me. Don't come back in this kingdom.
My husband, I and my children are going nowhere, except you are going with us. Yes.
See, woman, this is not time for argument. Take these children and leave this kingdom now.
My husband, did you see that? My husband. This is the third defense line. And it's been activated. With this, I am going nowhere. It is time to prepare for your first battle.
I am not going anywhere either. I'll stay here with the warriors of this clan under your command and defend our clan in case of any invasion.
Hey. I have tried for today. How can the king decide to go out in search of a maiden in a deadly forest? Okotobulu, the land of the spirit. Hey, this one is a bad omen. Hey, oh.
We will rest here tonight. Tomorrow we will continue our journey. You, take the first turn to watch. Dikeh.
Great Ijele.
Come with me.
Who is that? Show your face, you coward! Who is that?
My king! Where's my king and Dikeh?
We will split in twos in search of them.
Yes.
What if your king was kidnapped? You all will still be in a great slumber.
It's not possible, my king. You would have heard them before they reach us.
And why didn't you hear ours when we left?
You took us unawares, Your Highness. We still have a lot to learn from you.
It's good to admit your mistakes. To be a great warrior, you still have a lot to learn. Let us go. Our journey is far. Cover. Follow me.
Lolo!
Follow.
What's the matter?
Olo, please, go back to the palace.
Come on, Banshee, get away here. Are you mad? Don't you know I'm the owner? Eh?
The king is not here. Go back to the palace.
God. Please, it's okay. Step back.
Now you step back.
Oh no. You. Step out of these chambers.
Lolo, I'm here to see you. Why are you asking me to get out of the chambers?
Maybe your ears have not heard. But if it has not heard, I am sure your eyes have seen that Ijele is not around in this kingdom. As you can see, his crown is on his throne. So please, as you know the tradition of this kingdom, you are not permitted to walk into the chambers until he returns.
Lolo, there are procedures we use in doing things in this great kingdom that unite these 5 villages. There are rules and regulations governing us.
I can't remember. But if you remind me, I will understand.
Very good. Let me remind you. You see, in this great kingdom, any king that does not have any heir to the throne does not leave his seat vacant.
Oh. Excellent reminder. Yes, you are an excellent reminder.
Good.
And the same law says, if he find any reason to leave this kingdom without informing the cabinets, that he can do so, but he must return before the full moon.
I see. Very good. Are you sure that your son will be coming back?
That is not your business. All you have to do is to wait and see.
Well, I'm not a patient man, but I will try my best.
Please try. Oh no, we'll try and get out, please.
I will. Lolo. Lolo.
I hope they're all right wherever they are. I guess they're all right.
They will be all right, my princess. They believe in their gods. And I believe they will overcome every mischievous challenges.
My princess. My princess. Greetings, my princess.
Greetings.
My princess, Unowu came to the palace.
I hope my mother will attend to him.
He left already.
So why bother me with such news?
Because I overheard Unowu saying that the throne will be revoked in the absence of His Majesty.
No. 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 Mother! Mother! Mother!
My princess, she left the palace with some guards and some maidens, Your Highness.
Were you here when Onowu came to the palace?
Yes, Your Highness.
Did you hear him speak?
Yes, Your Highness.
Is it true that he threatened to overthrow my brother in his absence?
Yes, Your Highness.
Onowu needs to be dealt with.
My princess, may I?
What?
I think it's best we wait for the queen's return. She might be working on something right now.
No, that man needs to be dealt with. Come with me.
Look over there. That is the entrance to the land of the spirit. We are very close. Let us go.
Do not be afraid. If we die briefly.
If we die briefly. If we die bravely. Let's go.
I can't intervene. I don't control people's will and actions. I can only bring the wrath of the gods when necessary.
What of my son? Is he safe?
If you are asking if your son made it alive in the spirit land, yes, no one laid a trap for him going to the land of the spirit. But they will be waiting for him to finish him off if he survives in the land of the spirit.
Please, can you help me send him a warning message?
Like I said, I can't interfere in humans' will, but I can only warn of his disaster.
Thank you, the great seer.
Do not bother about your son. Bother about his throne. Watch carefully. You will see your enemy coming.
Thank you once again.
What is really going on in this our kingdom? How can we know who of all people plan to take over the king's throne in his absence? Is this not a taboo? Because of our land. Hey! I pray, may the chi of our king brings him back home alive to his people. Hey! Things are happening, oh.
Who are you?
I am Ijele, the king of Amachala. I'm here with my warriors. We want to have a pathway. We are here to rescue some humans that have been kept captive here for years.
You are free,
Thank you.
but not without paying for a pathway.
Old man, but you've already assured us to pass. Tell me, what is the price for the pathway?
Human blood. Human blood must be spilled to fill this calabash. Then you pay for your pathway.
Human blood. Dikeh,
Ijele.
warriors, this is not the only pathway. There are other ways I know.
As you wish.
Let's go.
Mother, you shouldn't have allowed Dono to walk out of here alive.
By law, he has the right to rebel. And we also have the right to defend the throne. Onowu will act fast. But we have to prepare ahead of time.
What makes you think he will act fast?
He has already made a huge mistake by coming here to warn me. I can read his moves. Now, you have to send messages across. Begin the phase 2 of the activation of third defense line.
Oh no. Oh no, he's biting more than he can chew.
Have you found the next entrance you were looking for?
Great Ijele. Is this not the same place?
It's not the same place, Dikeh. It's just that he got here before us.
Did I? I don't think so.
Old man, I guess you're just playing tricks with the spirits.
Now get out of our way, you old wizard.
Let's go.
You wouldn't know it.
You see, she won't see us coming. We will kill all of them. For Dikeh and Ijele, we will lay ambush for them. Should any one of them return as well? So it's simple. So, which day do we attack? The day we attack. On the next AK market day, we will assemble all our warriors here. And from here, we'll march forward.
My fellow elders, what about Onoche? What do we do with him? Because that Onoche, I'm beginning to be tired of him. What do we do?
It's very simple. We'll just wipe his lineage out of this our kingdom.
Better.
No. Yes, I like that. Good. But please, give me this honor. You know, I've always wanted to kill him. Yes. I would love. I would like to kill him with my sword. He is always yours, but you must wait for my orders. Do you understand? We'll all go to the stream now. Okay. From here, we'll march to the stream.
Oh, no.
Have you seen the next entrance you were looking for? This is the only way you can only pass through here. You better get going. If this blood finishes, you will do another sacrifice before you go back.
Let's go. He has sacrificed himself for this mission.
What are you doing in my compound?
Where did you take your family to?
I say, what are you doing here? Or you don't understand what I'm saying?
Oh no!
Yes?
What are you up to?
You don't have any right over my free will.
I am not here to question your free will, but to remind you to be careful of what you are doing.
Since you don't have the right over my free will, please leave my house now.
Oh no!
Yes?
Okay.
Leave my house! Out! Off! All of you go! Nonsense! No! You can't threaten me. You cannot cajole me. I've taken my decision and I will implement it to the letter. Nonsense. I'm not here.
Husband, we need to go.
May the gods be with you. Proceed to our plans.
All right, Papa.
Please, do not drink. Do not drink. Just cross. Hey! Dikeh! Calm down. Calm down, boys. Let us cross fast. Cross fast, fast. Anolom is still coming, but one of us is still missing.
Oh no. He has betrayed us. That very one that is missing has betrayed us.
No, he cannot. I'm sure he's on his way.
Don't tell me that. What if he has betrayed us?
I will kill him with my hands.
Okay, it's all right. Let us not hope for the worst. I believe he's on his way.
Let it not be what I'm thinking.
Oh.
Where is Okute?
The monster got him.
What? Okute! Okute!
My king, he's gone.
Okute!
He's gone, my king.
Ijele, we haven't even drawn our sword and we are dying.
We have to keep moving. We've come too far. Let's go.
A kingdom without a king is set for anarchy and lawlessness. How can the king just disappear? How can we live in this kingdom without a king over us? Who makes the decisions of this land? Gods of our land, gods of my father, please protect the king and bring him back to us in sound health. You know he's not a just man. He cannot feel into the shoes of the king. What is our fate in this kingdom? The center cannot hold. Gods of our land, attend to our cries, attend to our prayers, and please bring back the king to us. He said,
Obim, let me come with you. I want to fight alongside you.
No, you can't. You're not a member of the 3rd defense line.
But I am supposed to protect you. Nothing should happen to you.
I can protect myself, my love. You just don't know that part of me yet. My brother wasn't the only one that was trained to be a warrior. All my trainings were done in secret, and that is why we are called the 3rd defense line.
I am going to miss you. My heart won't be at peace until you return.
Then you can escort me to the boundary.
Sure, I would love to do so.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Greetings, my queen. Greetings, my princess.
Welcome.
Did I not warn you not to inform the elderly families?
I'm sorry, my queen.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings, my princess.
You're welcome.
Your Highness, we pledge an alliance to your throne.
Where is your husband?
He is at home, Your Highness. He's at home with my son. Because he believes the Onowu might attack our home at any moment, just because we do not support him.
Arise. You are welcome.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Stab yourself.
What is that?
It is I, the Queen of the Tree.
You must be very stupid. In fact, you are out of your senses.
You're the one who's out of your senses. Except you stab yourself.
You cannot stop us. We have to go.
You can only go around. You can't live here until we taste blood.
Yes.
You can't fight us. Let us go.
We have tasted blood. Now
You have tested blood.
you can live.
Let's go.
Leave. 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 We have tested blood. We have tested blood.
They have already gathered the treacherous men.
Let's go through the other way. It's safer that way. Let's go through the other way.
No. It's a very long way. They might attack us before we reach. Let me cross this place.
Wait. What are we going to do now? I think I have an idea.
What's that?
You know they know me as a farmer. Give me that bag. Give me your bag. They all know me as a farmer. And thank the gods, they don't know you. Just follow my lead.
Are you sure it will work?
Trust me. Just follow my lead. Okay? Let's go. Trust me. Trust me. It will work. I know exactly what I am doing.
Oh no. Where is Onolom? He is coming with other warriors. So calm down, Ashika. Okay. Who are they?
It's Udokolo the farmer.
And the maiden going with him as well?
His lover, she follows him around.
And where are they going to?
Going to people's farm.
Do they go around walking in people's farm?
We all know Udokolo now. He walks around in people's farm. You know, he's a farmer. So it's just that I don't really. But I think they know. This is my elders. Greetings. Udoka, greetings.
My queen. Greetings.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings, my queen. I am Obiageli, a first-grade member of the 3rd Defense Line, sister to Dikeh, the great warrior, who left with King Ijele to the land of the spirit.
You are welcome, my daughter.
Thank you.
Please arise.
Thank you.
As you all have seen and heard, she's a first-grade member of the 3rd Defense Line, and also a sister to our great warrior, Dikeh. Is it not a plus to us?
It is. You're welcome. You're welcome.
My queen, there is one more thing you need to know.
What is it, my daughter?
They are gathering at the river boundary, and I'm certain they might attack tomorrow morning.
Then we will attack tonight.
Yes, our queen. We will attack tonight.
Gallant women of our land.
Yes, my queen.
You have to get ready because the hour has come. We will crush them so that the river will wash away their blood.
We are warriors and not babies. Let us go. Stop crying.
Let us go. Do you have any remorse at all? Do you even care about any of us or just yourself? Stand out. You are a great warrior. Stand out. Don't tell me that.
Leave him. Let him voice out his anger.
Anger? Anger, you call it? You were 7 when we left our kingdom. Now we are just 4. 2 of our men died, and their body are nowhere to be found. Are you this heartless?
I am not heartless. Neither am I selfish. I am a warrior. Great warriors, great men. They've died fighting for our kingdom. And if you die fighting for this kingdom, you will be remembered as a great warrior. Let's go. Dikeh, my warriors, we are about to enter the land of the dwarfs.
And how did you know?
My grandfather once told me a story about them. Whatever they do to tempt us, do not fight them. Let us pretend as if we are fighting ourselves, and then we can defeat them.
Ijele, how are we going to defeat them then?
Dikeh, I will explain to you along the way. Let's go.
Now I can understand what delayed Honorum. He wiped the warriors that attacked him with our own great warriors. Yes. This is a very good news.
A very good one.
What about the elder that betrayed us?
Ijele, were you not here? When Onowu sent Honorum to wipe them away with our warriors. Eh? Why are you still ask? Why are you still going back? Eh? This is good news.
What are you doing on our way?
Oh, my princess. Greetings, my princess.
Greetings to you. I am Princess Oledo.
I know who you are, my princess.
I want to appreciate you for all that your family has done to this family. Your father was a great friend to my father. Your brother is a great friend to my brother. And here we are, fighting to defend the throne against rebels. I just hope after everything, the both family will come together and bond forever.
We will do what we can as human and leave the rest for the gods, my princess.
Yes, that's true. As our brothers are in the evil forest, fighting for the purpose, I just pray that they come back alive. You see, together we fight to defend our kingdom. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Most of you underwent a secret training and have never had the chance to engage in a real battle. I'm assuring you that the chance has come. Finally, the chance is here. Some people have been insisting that the third line defense of this kingdom be destroyed. And they are the same people trying to destroy this present kingdom now. They have waited so long for a day like this. But we will show them, we will make them know that we have waited more longer than them. Great warriors of this kingdom. Great! Great women of this kingdom. Great! You will go out there and slay anybody that is a threat to the peace and unity of this kingdom. Are we ready?
We are ready.
Are we ready?
We are ready.
We are ready.
We are ready. We are ready. We are ready.
Are we ready?
We are ready.
Where is he? Where is that coward? Honestly, come out there. You, take that way. Take this way. Go in there. Search in there. Get anyone in there. Out. Ah!
Get him! Get him!
Warrior!
Hey, get him! Hey! Get him! Fast!
Great warriors, great warriors, great warriors.
Thank the gods that I escaped this evil Onowu, the warriors.
Your Majesty, look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Look at that. We are going right.
No,
We are going right.
We go left. I didn't see anything on the right.
Let's go left. No, Your Majesty, no. I saw my photo. We are picking right. I just saw her now.
No. We have to go left. Dikeh, I'm your king. If I did not approve, you will not embark on this mission.
Your Majesty, I know very well that you are my king, but I can still go this journey alone. We go right.
My king, I think this evil land is trying to make you to fight amongst yourself. Look at the right. Nobody's there.
Let's go left. Take my instructions. Follow me.
My king, there is a hut there. Let's focus on this hut. Maybe we'll find them all in there.
Oh no. Yes.
We should have attacked the palace before they attack us. We wasted too much time. So what are we going to do now?
Simple. It's not over yet. Eh? Will we win this? See this? We must win.
Oh no. How are we going to win?
Simple. We will win this, I promise you, once we have the head of the king in our hand.
Oh no. Yes. How are we going to get the head when we don't know if it's alive or not?
Simple. This is my point. This is what I'm talking about. If he survives, he must pass through this place. And then we kill him, take the head, go to the palace, claim the throne, and that's it. Simple.
Oh no. I pray this work because I don't want to lose my life for nothing.
Simple, I assure you, we will not lose it.
Okay. Melima.
What? How can you be Mirima and Agonwai at the same time? Who are you? Turn around!
How dare you?
How dare you?
You are Mirima and you are Agonwai. I can see you possess some powers. Let's see how far you can go with me, Ijele. Ah! My name is Ijele. Ijele. I guess the spirits are also afraid.
You claim to be the greatest warriors of your land. Now, let's see how good you are.
You are not a human. You are a spirit.
You are not my match. Yet you claim to be the greatest warriors of your land. I have not fought you spiritually. This is me, physically. And I fought and defended the kingdom for your father.
What did you just say? You fought for our kingdom and nobody heard about you.
Maybe I'll tell you why I lured you to the forest to kill you.
My baby.
My king, my elders, we've got strong information from my source that someone wants to destroy this throne by killing the queen and her unborn child.
Agonwai, what is the source of your information?
That I will not disclose to you or no.
Okay, let me tell you this. I am not pleading to you to tell me, but I'm ordering you to do that right now, Agonwai!
You have no right to order us on what to do and what not to do. The defense line answers only to the throne.
Enough. Now Agumai, tell me, where did you get this information?
My king, what if someone here is behind these attacks? The person will kill my source of information and find a way to terminate the queen.
Are you insulting the elders? Or you are calling the elders traitors?
No. She never called the elders traitors.
What she said
is that someone amongst us here could be a spy. It could be you, it could be me, it could be anybody in this palace. That's what she's saying.
Your Highness,
Agumai
is right. Let her keep her sort of information to herself. As far as she uses it to protect this kingdom, I don't know why you are forcing her to tell you. Okay,
Enough. Agumai,
my king,
you may leave while I settle these issues with my elders.
May you live long, my king. But I would rather visit the queen in her chambers.
You may.
Thank you, my king. My elders.
Go. My elders, please, let's take things easy.
It's true.
Where is Akbaka?
She is where you instructed her to be.
Okay, come with me. We need to see the queen.
My greatest warrior.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings.
How are you?
Well, as you can see, the baby is kicking hard. Just reminding me that soon he or she will be with us.
Agumai,
thank you so much for the protection.
My queen, I am just upholding the oath I took. And you are my good friend. It's good to see that you and the baby are hale and hearty.
Yes, thank you.
Come, follow me.
Abaka! Agumai! Come, follow me now!
I'm coming.
May the gods protect my friend.
Igwe, those maidens are growing wild and one day they will challenge everybody. We must dissolve them now.
Igwe,
those maidens, they are doing a great job in this kingdom. I don't know what is a problem. Why do you want it to be dissolved? What is the problem? Can you just listen to me for once? They are doing a great job for now, I agree. But they are working without instruction and they are not accountable to anybody. Igwe, I advise again. These people one day will challenge the throne and there's nothing any one of us can do to them.
Dissolve now.
My king, the head of the traitor that wants to kill the queen and destroy the throne.
What?
Check it.
Hey, that is the head of the enemy. Yes.
Agumai.
My king.
But you told me that you wanted to be with the queen. What happened?
Yes, my king. I was with her while I saw someone hiding in the bush. The warriors and I went after them. They lured us to their camp. We killed them all. This is the head of their leader.
Igwe, Kamfunaya. Confirm.
Hey! That is it. All of you can see what I'm saying. She did this without any remorse. One day, they will come after us and no one can defend us. The third defense line must be dissolved now. Igwe,
Agumai, you may leave.
Thank you, my king.
Dad!
My king.
Take this away from me. Take it away!
Easy. But she tried now.
Tried what?
She tried.
Head of the enemy?
Head of the enemy.
My elders, let those who are in support of banning the third defense line raise their hands. Good. The third defense line will be banned when my wife puts to bed, and that is my final ruling. I really do not know what to do, but I am certain that I don't want to break the defense line.
Your Majesty, there is something you have to do about it.
Now, my good friend, tell me, what exactly should I do about this?
Your Majesty, marry her and everybody will stop bothering about her activities any longer.
What? But does that even make any sense?
The third defense is for the throne. The elders are worried for nothing. Since they are good in proving that they are mischievous, we teach them how to do it.
I see. But marrying Agumai, is that a good decision?
It's a very good decision. My friend, do what I said, and the people will stop bothering about the end of the defense line. Yes.
I see. Agumai,
My king.
the only way to keep this third defense line is for me to marry you as my second wife. Yes. And because I still need you people around. At least to secure this kingdom completely from the evil ones.
Yes.
Please.
My king, I'm sorry. I can't marry you. It's not possible.
Agumai, think of it in this light. Marry my king and my friend. And you become the queen in charge of third defense line. Yes. And every benefit that goes to warriors now becomes yours. How about it?
Like I said, I can't marry the king. I already swore before the sacred shrine that I would not have anything to do with any man, but to serve the throne as its warrior forever.
But the oath can be overturned.
Yes.
The oath can be reversed if you solemnly in your heart choose to do so. Please, I beg you, have a rethink.
My king, I'll have to go back to my hut.
They should just walk out on me.
Take it easy. We will have to do something that will make her succumb to you. Yes, yes.
The priestess, I want you to break the oath.
My king, it is not in your power to decide who will break the oath. She has her own free will. Agumai, would you like to break the oath?
No, I do not want to. I'll rather serve the kingdom as a warrior till I die.
Agumai, do not misuse this opportunity you are given. If you decline, some elders have voted to dissolve their team. But if you accept, Dikeh will retain the third defense line with the influence of the marriage.
I have made up my mind. Ichie or Dinakachi. My king, I'm not supposed to be far from the queen. I have to be going.
If you leave here without breaking the oath, do not bother coming to the palace.
Don't push it. Igwe Dikeh. Allow her to be. You can dissolve them from being warriors and turn them to palace mates, but secretly warriors.
I cannot stand this manner of disrespect. She walked out on me. I will not take this lightly. She must pay for this. Let us go. I will never allow her to go unpunished. Never!
My great friend, I will advise you to ignore her. Forget about her.
Why should I ignore her? She walked out on me.
Just to attend to your pregnant wife. There is nothing wrong with that.
No, there is certainly something wrong. Now I am beginning to understand what the Onowu has been saying. If you allow them, they will overshadow us. Yes.
And then what do you want to do?
I will punish her. Very, very well. And I will make her to destroy the oath and accept to marry me. Yes. That is what I will do. Yes.
I can't stay here anymore. I can't betray the queen.
Then, we should be packing.
Yes. See, go call all the warriors. Because we have to pack our things. We are leaving first thing in the morning. Go get me water to drink. Right.
That means they are ready. Let us go.
If you move, we'll kill her.
Agwan, I command you to seize your sword. How dare you, Agwan? How dare you to raise your sword against your king? Now, drop your sword. Drop it to the ground. And move. Move! Move! Before I slice you into pieces. Move. Keep moving. This is what you have brought upon yourself. For turning your back at me, Agwan.
I served you well. I served you well, my king. I only want to serve you.
Then accept to marry me. Accept it.
It's so simple.
Never. Never will I denounce my oath for any reason.
Then you will remain in this pit. Without any food, no water.
Okay.
Guards, make sure she does not escape from this place. Else, your both head will go for it.
This is my king. You can't do this to me.
I saved you well.
Ebule, Ebule, Iyoye metara, Obulu, Ebule, Ebule. Avoid this calamity you want to bring upon yourself. Go and release that girl now. If you don't want to regret it later. Iyoye metara, Obulu, Ebule, Ebule.
Your Majesty, let us go and release that girl. I am having a bad feeling as well. Please.
Do not let her deceive you. Do not allow her to confuse you. I know that she does not support the oath breaking. But what should be in the mind of the two of us is how to make Agunwanyi accept my proposal. Yes. So my good friend, think. Think of a way forward. Think. That is what I want right now.
It's about to rain. What do we do?
Let us leave him here.
But the rain will beat her.
I really want to put her here. Move.
I shall have vengeance for all you have done to me. You shall be alive and wish you were dead. And if you have children, I will make them pay for putting me in this position.
Igwe. Igade.
My very good friend, you came very early. I hope all is well.
She is dead.
What? What happened?
She was drowned by last night's rain.
She was drowned? No. No! Never. No. No! It's not possible. It's not possible! No.
Hold on.
So this is true.
Yes. She's dead.
What a pity. God, I waited till sunset before doing this. God, take her body to the evil forest. Make sure no one sees you.
So I thought it was a joke. Not until she killed two of my guards. And then I drew my sword and fought her. And also my very good friend Odinaka also drew his sword and fought her subordinates.
Maybe they have forgotten so soon that men of this land, we are great warriors. Yes. Oh no, who happens to be right? Pride took over them. And pride led them not only disobey the king, but also challenged him.
So my others, on this note, I hereby abolish the existence of the third defense line. So I instructed the guards to escort them far away from this kingdom. Because I know that by now, Onowu and the elders will be requesting for their head.
She misses you. But I'm sorry, you might not be able to see her any moment, anytime soon.
My king, what about the third defense line?
Oh, about that. Well, from now, moving on, you are now the new leader of the third defense line. But you will not be shown to the public. And I want you to pass this information to every loyal member of yours. Tell them to train their daughters to become a warrior. Yes, because time will come when it will be needed the most.
All right. I will, my king.
How is the baby? I hope he's kicking well.
Very strong. Just like a warrior.
A warrior indeed.
Yes.
Okay, it's okay. It's all right. I apologize for all what my father did to you. I guess I wasn't born then, and I am not aware. Please forgive us.
Please, I am begging you now to forgive my father. We are sorry, please.
No! I won't. I will never forgive you. Never! Ah! Agumai, you still look young. Even in the old. What are you doing here? You're not supposed to be here. An apology has been tendered. That gave me the pathway into the land of the spirit. You cannot interfere with what I am doing here. So I will. I have the powers. As long as an apology has been tendered. Then why didn't you interfere in my situation? I begged for my life. I pleaded for my freedom. All of you, we are humans. As at that time. But now, you're a spirit. I don't care. Get out of my way! I can't let you do anything. You can't harm them anymore. Then I get nothing at the end. I must revenge!
Ijele will give you something. You will get something.
What are you going to give me, warrior?
Immortality.
You can't restore my life. How then can you give me immortality?
Agumai, your name will live forever. Ijele, I will tell the entire kingdom and all the neighboring kingdoms that you fought for this great land, that you are a great warrior. We will remember you forever.
We have to leave here immediately. The kingdom is not safe anymore. Hold my hand. You are meant to come out from the same entrance you came in from. This is how far I can take you. The moment I leave here now, he will see you and quickly finish the blood in the calabash. So you hurry and approach the veil before he closes it. Ijele, Onowu has laid ambush for you at the cave. He wants you dead. See you when you return home.
How come they survived this place? They are here already. Let me drink my blood.
Your Majesty, let us go. He is trying to finish the blood.
We have to cross now. You don't have any right to close the gate on us. You cheated us with the blood.
You are not the one to direct me how to drink my blood.
Old wizard, we have already sacrificed enough. We are the only one left. Please, allow us to pass.
None of you was meant to survive. No one has ever done it.
Hey! What are you guys doing?
Make sure my body reaches.
What are you going to do? Hey! Dikeh, what is it? What are you going to do?
Let's go.
You can pass.
Let's go,
my
Dikeh.
blood to drink.
Oh no.
Oh, Ijele.
You're here to receive me. That's so thoughtful of you.
Yes, King Ijele. I'm here to receive you and also to kill you.
To kill me? You must be out of your mind.
Hey! Hello. Are you talking about this? Any other ambush?
You deserve to die. Leave him! Spare him. I want him alive. Bring him with me.
Don't provoke me.
Through battles, fears, and trials by fire, we have no tolerance for evil. We will fight, eliminate, and set apart the rotten eggs
Thank you.
to uphold the dignity.
You want to take over the throne?
Hey, come and get back.
Come here.
My Lolo, I hope they will still come back alive.
What are you talking? If I, a woman, should come back from war, what of a man? Ijele will come back, definitely.
May the gods of our land protect them and bring them back to us.
He said, did you hear that?
Hey! I want this man. I got him.
Nida. Nida, Onowu. Onowu, I said, on your knees. On your knees, Onowu. Go down.
I warned you.
Awaku kwenu!
Hey!
Kwenu!
Hey!
Kwezonu!
Hey!
This is the traitor. This is the traitor. This is the Onowu that wants to unseat me. He wants to kill me. By tradition, I should behead you. But I will have mercy on you because I'm a peaceful king. I know what to do with you. Guards! Lock him up. Up. Up, Abi.
Stand up! Evil man! Stand up! Oh! Hey! That's him very well. Swear!
Guards! Let there be enough drink! Let there be fun! Kwanu! Mwanu! Renu! Kwezonu!
You're alive!
Because of this same Onowu, my father and Dikeh's father were pushed into making mistakes unnecessarily. I'm not here to make excuses for them, but I'm here to tell you the truth of what happened so many years ago. Onowu, you are hereby banished out of this kingdom. Go far! Go far and never return! Guards! Take him out of this kingdom. Get up!
Push him now. Evil man.
Take him out of this kingdom!
I want you.
Push him very well.
I want you.
Evil man.
From today we will experience peace. Agowine will be immortalized. The land where she was buried will be named after her. Onoche,
Igwe,
I make you the new Onowu of this great kingdom. I want you to put your cabinet together that will take this great kingdom forward. We want peace, prosperity, wealth for our great kingdom. And make sure my friend Dikeh's name is #1 on the list. And that is if he will choose a wife.
Your Majesty, my king,
After the terrible experience we had to the land of spirits, I don't want us to remain only friends. I think it is the right time we become family. And that can only happen if your sister, our beautiful princess here, accepts me as her husband.
This is interesting.
Please, beautiful princess, will you marry me?
Yes, I will marry you.
Amaku Gwenu! Hey! Gwenu! Hey! Gwenu! Hey! Gwenu! Hey! Gwenu! Hey! Gwenu! Hey! Gwenu!
Realms of valor where heroes ride. Yeah. A band of warriors with honor in our eyes. Yeah. Our hearts are ablaze with courage as our guide. Yeah. We march into frame with victory to abide. Yeah.
Through battles fierce and trials by fire, we have no tolerance for evil. We will fight, eliminate, and set apart the rotten eggs to uphold the dignity and honor. Our kingdom is a pride. Our king is a voice. We uphold our dignity.
Realms of valor where heroes ride. A band of warriors with honor in our eyes. Our hearts are ablaze with courage as our guide. We march into frame with victory to abide.